Today, we're going to bring a USB multi-card reader. Now, this is a perfect way if you're going to travel. And if you have a computer that has only Type C, well, this is the way that you want to be able to transfer stuff. So we're going to open it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. So you got multiple card reader here for multiple different types of cards right here. Of course, the basic SD card, and then the larger one, and then the micro SD card too. So we're gonna go ahead and read a couple of these cards with this. And just to let you guys know, this is all aluminum base. It's pretty solid, and this is like a nylon area. So Type C to multi-card reader. So this is perfect to transfer pictures, videos. If you're a photographer. Okay, so today we're gonna bring in two types of cards. You guys can see this is a micro SD card, 128, and then we have a 256 gig card. All right, two different types of card, and we have a Microsoft Surface here. We're gonna go ahead and lift this in here, and we're gonna zoom in. All right, so we're gonna plug it in, and if you notice, if you own a Surface, there's pretty much no connections on here, but there's only two actually type USB Type C's, and this is only like a couple feet. I would say 2.5 feet on this one. So I'm gonna plug it in either way. You could go either direction, so it doesn't matter left or right. Now we're gonna go ahead, and if you guys can see it, there's actually a little indication here on the little green light telling you that it's picking up the actual system. Right now, at the moment, there is nothing picking up in the actual drive itself. So we're gonna go ahead and insert one here, if you guys can see it. And very simple, just facing up, right? Make sure you put it right and just push it once and give it a second and it pops up automatically. Here, we can see what's in the card. I can retrieve all my Sony pictures that I have in here. All these clips that I have, pretty much open them up. I could run it from here and it runs pretty good. And it's actually me videotaping a couple of things in here, which is not bad. It's a couple of the items that I have in here. So we're gonna go and close it out. Now, let's go ahead and get a micro SD card. If you guys can see a micro SD card. And we're gonna do pretty much put it in the little smallest one here. And I believe it's gonna go upside down too. So, and you pretty much set it up and you just push it in there. And it's gonna pop up another one, automatically popped in. Now, we could open it up here and see what do we have in there. It is me testing out a couple of things on the camera. Very simple to set up, plug and play, no drivers necessary. Very solid device, aluminum base. You can see it picked up my two cards. If I had another different type of card, the larger one, I would put it in there and it will show up in here. You could transfer from one card to another one, vice versa. You could transfer and you even play the videos so perfect. There's no lag because you have transfer rate with it. You're using a Type C connection. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.